Alright, hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Jazzy Time. The time of Jazzy. It's funny, I find in the comments sometimes people call me Jazzy, but my nickname is not Jazzy. My nickname's actually B. Fun fact. Anywho, this is video number 8 of, day 8, number 8 of the 30 Days of NAIL-O-WEEN series. I hope you guys are enjoying them so far. We're getting into the spooky stuff now. This video, again, like the last one, is inspired by a set of decals that I captured a screenshot of, and I was like, I know I can recreate those by hand painting. So I'll insert the photo again. So this one we're gonna do that skull that's kind of cocked to the side. You know what I mean? Like he's getting ready to eat somebody. Ow. Sorry, wow. Vinny's new word is wow. So yes, I'm going to angle down and let's get started on day 8 of 30 Days of NAIL-O-WEEN. Shall I? Yeah? Yeah? Alright, hey bunny hands. Okay, so just like the last one, this one's very simple. Just going to do a black and white. I'm also going to make it matte like the last one as well. Again, I've started with my base color because this one used to be yellow. Base color of IBD Gel Polish 02, oop, there it is, 020 as my base. I will show you again, I have my little sketch here. That's what I'm using as my reference. So we're gonna see how that goes. And just like the last one, I have 2 layers of the white. I'm gonna lightly buff this so that I can sort of block it out with my pencil. When I'm doing more complicated nail art, I definitely use the crap out of my pencils because this looks funny. You see that little bell shape on the bottom? I don't like that because there's so many layers of stuff on there. Let's just make that a little more square, shall we? Shall we? We shall. All right. Okay. It's much better. So, I'm going to wipe away my dust. I'm going to sort of, again, I'm going to use my pencil, graphite pencil, and I'm going to sort of just lightly block out my dude here. I find skulls, skeletons, whatever you want to call them, they're sometimes a little more on the difficult side to duplicate. You know what I mean? Like you have to be so anatomically correct with things sometimes, and it's just, I don't know, sometimes it's hard to get perfect. Alright, so I'm going to use that as my guide along with my picture, and I'm going to, like the other one, start with my black. And again, I will just zoom in a little more here. There we go. And I will just put music over the next part here. All right, so I matte top coated this, and there he is. I love the way it turned out. It still looks very creepy and cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching that. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. Get your bell notification on. I'm posting every day in the month of October. I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys all stay tuned and stay jazzy.